Hey guys, this is Rosemell. So today I'm going to show you how I use Notion as a Wattpadder. As you can see, Notion helped me in organizing things, especially when I am writing stories on Wattpad. Okay, let's start. This is my timeline, which is 2021 to 2022, and my favorite songs, which is my playlist. So this is my stories. It's in gallery view because I can see the cover of my stories. So this is my story. The theme here is veg color. I don't know if it is veg color. Okay, let's start with the title. And you can insert if it's rom-com, comedy, action, or yeah, I want action. Okay, you can change the cover here, but for now, this is my cover. Okay, this is the information, which is plot, characters, outline, and resources. So let's start with plot. Here is the plot. I have here the music, so you can play it while you're thinking what is your plot all about. So yeah, you can start your plot here. Okay, then ideas. For example, you have an idea about the lines, but you want to do it in chapter 27, but you're in chapter 25. Here, we'll just type what is chapter. For example, you want it to chapter 27, and then the line here, which says that you make me feel special. For example, okay, the date here, for example, it's 28 now, and the name of the characters, who says that? For example, his name is Haru. So here's the characters. You can insert their name. For me, it's Nami Kim and Dan Coleraine. And you can also insert an image of the characters, but be sure it has the same size. So for me, I'm using my character as Bae Suzy and Robun, because Bae Suzy is the goddess of all Korean actress, and I want her. She's an angel. And Robun, I love SF9 so much. All of them are pretty looking good, but Rowan captures my heart, especially when I watch Extraordinary You. Okay, for this, you can have their personal information. It's in toggle list, so okay, you can have a social media account, but if you don't want, you can delete it. The characters related, for example, her mother, father, brother, second brother, or if you want, she had a friend which name is Kira. So education, if she had an education, or where did she live, her hometown, or did she switch places, like that. So I have here the outline. I have here the 3 images, which shows what is my story all about. A girl, and the second picture is their uniform, their school uniform. I edited it because there's no uniform like that. For the resources, for example, you want your character to have an outfit, and then you can name here like then you can have a tag. What's this? It's outfit. You can have your link there. If you want to add the additional info, where do you want to have this? For example, chapters. You want it in chapter 5, you can have it. So for the last one, it's chapters, where you can see or you can know what chapters are you now. So I'm in chapter 1, for example. I finish it now, and then it's sum up with 2,781 words. You're finished, you can check it out, and that's it. Okay, so I provide here the sample, just the same as the other one, and you can duplicate it before going to write another story, because if you add an untitled one, it changes. So yeah, it's a copy of my title. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and by the way, the pre-template is in the description box. You can duplicate it if you want, and you can tag me on Instagram if you want also. Okay, goodbye. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.